In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted pages, posts, or jobs in WordPress. Whether you accidentally removed a crucial page or lost a post that you spent hours crafting, this guide will help you get it back and ease that sense of panic. So, let's get started and walk through the recovery process step by step. First off, let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar admin menu on the left-hand side. Now, if you mistakenly deleted a page, go ahead and click on Pages. Similarly, for a post, you'll click on Posts, and for jobs, find the relevant selection in the menu, often under custom post types that might be labeled Jobs, depending on the plugins you use. Upon clicking on the appropriate section, you'll see an option labeled Trash at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of items that have been recently deleted. Now, WordPress isn't mean-spirited. It usually keeps deleted items in this trash folder for up to 30 days, giving you a generous window to restore anything you might have accidentally deleted. In case you don't see the trash option, don't panic right away. You may want to check whether you have the right capabilities set up for your user role or if your site settings allow for items to be moved to trash. Now in the trash folder, you'll be able to see a chronological list of everything you've deleted recently. Take a moment here to browse through the list and find the page, post, or job you want to recover. Once you've located the item that you want to restore, hover your mouse over the entry. You should see an option that reads Restore. Click on this, and the item will be returned to its rightful place. If you decide you actually don't need it after all, there's also a Delete Permanently option, but tread carefully with that one. After you've restored your page, post, or job, you might want to double-check its content to ensure everything is in order. Go back to the main pages, posts, or jobs list, and you should see it reappear as if it never left. Make sure to click on it to view and verify the content. If necessary, reschedule or republish according to your needs to seamlessly integrate it back into your live site. And finally, a little tip to help prevent this from happening in the future: regularly back up your WordPress site using reliable plugins. This way, you'll have a safety net for all your content and can easily restore your site to a previous version if anything goes awry. With these steps, you'll know exactly how to recover anything you've accidentally deleted on WordPress, giving you peace of mind in your website management. Thanks for watching and happy editing!